Well, jury selection in the long-awaited civil lawsuit against the parents of the admitted Santa Fe school shooter started today.
Now, all of this comes 6 years after he walked on campus, killing 8 students and 2 teachers. Fox 26's Jade Fleury is live in Galveston County for us. So, Jade, what happened in court today?
So today a judge met with the jury and handed them a questionnaire, but the criminal case against the shooter remains on hold because a judge found him not mentally competent to stand trial. Now that civil suit was filed by the victims' families against the shooter and his parents to hold them both accountable.
Waiting the 6 years has been inhumane.
6 long years after the Santa Fe high school shooting, the civil trial against the admitted shooter and his parents has begun. In 2018, the gunman entered the school, killing 10 people and injuring 13 others. Rosie Stone's son, Christopher, died while trying to protect his classmates from the killer.
Because all I did was send my son to school, and he went home in a body bag.
Stone filed the civil lawsuit 6 days after the shooting. The suit later grew to include the families of 7 people killed in the shooting and 4 people who were injured.
The justice that I want, we don't have in Texas. Here, the only thing we can go for is monetary.
The families are seeking $1 million in damages. They're suing the shooter for being accountable for the incident, and they're suing the shooter's parents for negligence and allowing their son to have access to their guns.
What I'd really like to see in the future is for irresponsible gun owners to serve some jail time. Because at the end of the day, those are the people that are partly responsible for all these massacres that are happening.
Stone says it's been a long, emotional 6 years for her, with frustrations that the suspect may never go to trial.
Waiting 6 years, that's unethical. You know, that's not something that should be, a norm. We need a speedy, rapid judgment on these school shooters.
The families and the victims of this tragedy recognize that their only day of accountability may be this civil trial. There may never be a criminal trial, and that's why this case is so critically important.
Now tomorrow the jury is expected to be selected and opening arguments are expected to begin on Wednesday. Reporting from Galveston County, Jade Fleury, Fox 26 News.